Hello everybody, my first vlog style video. I'm here with my brother. So today, I feel so weird doing it like this. We are going to Ikea to get things. Ick. We're going to Ick. Ike. Oh yeah, where's the E? Can't see it. We're going to Ike. Left my lips out in the cold and they turn blue. What could I do? Oh, they turn blue. What could you do? Oh, they turn blue. You can park there, somewhere in there. There's one right there. We're going to do a trip to Ikea because I want to buy a desk for my computer and a nice little desk chair. And Jack's doing the same, pretty much.
Without the chair.
Without the chair. And yeah, we're gonna have a fun time. First time kind of taking the camera out in public, so I'm gonna try my best to not feel awkward. But yeah, I was gonna be doing this video with Ethan, but he's sick. No, he's got tonsillitis and he didn't want to give it to me.
Just, if you have no teeth, then you can't have tonsillitis.
No, you can. What? Your tonsils aren't your teeth?
I'm kidding.
Oh, that was cold. People are gonna look at me so weird, but you know what? No one's gonna see me ever again here. Look at that double chin. On the way to make the thumbnail, on the way to make the thumbnail.
Yeah, talk about making a thumbnail.
I know, right?
That's the elephant in the room.
Yeah. Okay. Forget I said that. Golden hour.
This is like the earliest I've ever been out of the house on a day off.
Wow, that's sad.
Oh, repping,
guys,
go to crewtopcollective.com and buy the fresh drop. Actually, I think it's out.
Wait, you should tell him to give me one for free and I'll put on my YouTube.
Well, it already is. Fresh.
Yeah, but drop. Me, I want to wear it. There's my YouTube.
Brick capsule, Crew Top Collective.
What do you guys think about doing like vlogging in public? Do you think that it's weird? And if you saw someone, would you think it's weird? And should I feel awkward or should I just do it?
I think most people are kind of like jealous that you can do it.
I'm so confident.
No, there's actually so many people that are like, oh, I would like to do vlogging, but I'm like too embarrassed or I just can't do it. And so I think when people see someone doing it, they're like,
I want to be like,
wow, they're actually.
It's easier when you're with someone. If I was by myself talking to the camera, it would feel weird.
We start talking to the camera.
And you always feel like everyone else is looking at you and laughing at you.
They still are.
Yeah, they are. Okay.
But maybe not laughing. They're just like, oh.
Laughing with. Hi. He wanted to be in the video.
Do you want to go back and ask him?
Do you want to be in the vid?
Huh?
Do you want to be in my vlog?
I will.
Okay. Thanks. What a gentleman. What a gentleman.
I go.
Oh, I might actually go to the bathroom.
You are?
Is that okay if you wait? You can talk to the camera if you want.
No, I'm not. I won't. Oh my goodness, I'm actually a vlogger now. You have to hold it up here. That's better. Yuck. There's hair inside the trolley wheel. I didn't say anything, I felt too awkward.
What did you do?
I just sat here and showed them the hair in the wheel.
That is good content.
I was going to say something like, I usually hate coming to Ikea, but now that I've got something to maybe get, I can.
Oh, candles. Can't go to Ikea and not get a candle. Okay.
And not bad couches too.
I know, I like that.
This is the worst part. If you came for one thing, you have to go through all the different
But isn't it
room
fun?
styles.
think it's fun.
Kind of.
Oh, look at that black leather lounge. I feel like I belong there. Just imagine this my house. Oh, let me just read a book. I'm rich. Do you know what I love about being a little bit like sick with a cold? Is that when you sniff at the shops, like people like scatter, and I get a whole aisle to myself because I'm like, achoo. So that's not much is happening right now, Jackson. Oh, I want bar stools, hey, but they're expensive. I know.
See, they're only like 70. They're not bad.
But like you want to buy 3 at a time. What are these? 30.
They're right.
They're not bad. I like the ones with the backs on them, though, like that kind of thing.
They're over $100 each.
Yes, they're very expensive.
Crazy.
This one's pretty good. Oh, it's comfortable. It's really comfy, and it goes right down. I'm getting this one. This is the chair I'm gonna get. Wonder if they have another color.
That's the one.
Yeah. Yeah, because look, that one's cheaper, but it's... Imagine sitting on that. Yeah, I might just get something like this.
Same thing, isn't it?
Yep, but Noah's is broken, and it's also that ugly brown. Ugly brown, white.
Not white.
It's brown, look at it. It's gross. On the spot. Like get something like that.
Yeah.
I'll see how. 75. Corona.
Pretty much the size of this.
Following the leader, the leader, the leader. Following the leader. Bye. How like serene is this? Oh, I want those fairy lights in my bedroom. And that chandelier. I want everything. Time goes into a black hole in Ikea. Hello. We've got a few interesting people. Just got to step over that one. Did you see her? She had a bag like in the middle of the walkway. Like, excuse me, do you know? I think it had wheels on it. It was like...
She pulled it away from you, but then it just bounced off the thing that she pulled it towards.
I just stepped over it.
And it went in front of me, so I was like, shoot me.
Did you say that?
Yeah.
She literally looked at me, I could see it in the camera. She was just like...
What?
How else am I supposed to get past you? Oh, do you need body things?
Nope. We still got a spare one in our bathroom.
Yeah, who bought you that one?
You?
I need to stop being a mum.
A year ago.
Oh, it's so hot in here. It feels like summer. Jack, you're doing a fantastic job.
Are you a pastor? Could you marry us?
Oof, that's a good play. Jack, I couldn't picture you using this. It's too... Oh, I would buy that, but it's a little see-through. Wake up in the holy hours. God, Morgan. I love these.
What do you call a guy with no hair?
Shoes.
A bowl man.
Ball man. A ball man.
Who's that? That's John.
That's John. Eliza's sister.
When the oldest apostle is really annoying, little nag.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, the light. Okay, back to serious business. I'm at the washing basket
So many people looking at us.
place. What'd you say?
So there's so many people looking at us when they're walking past.
Okay, I was going to go FaceTime and then he can go in the vlog. Okay. That's it to Jack. Or it's not that huge. This is taller. You're not freaking Harry Potter, okay? In your dreams.
It's still smaller than my washing basket, Noah.
Yeah. This one's good. Alright, bye.
Me message her. She not answer. But then her ring. Oh, what made that sound? Oh, my ass did.
See if you can use it.
The worst part about going to Ikea is you have to go home and build.
And build.
Oh wait, you got...
Yeah, I was just trying to think of how to use it. Jack, do you reckon this room is like so heavy or so light?
Good one.
Because that's only $13. But good. So that's the one that I want. Is that the only one? Like, this isn't something that I need, but I just want it, and I want it if it's affordable. Jab.
Are you gonna get it or not?
No. No, sir. And the warehouse is so big.
Do you want to get there fast? Start running.
Oh, hectic.
What location is that one? What location is that one?
I said 34, didn't I? 4.
Oh, so it's down the end.
Yeah.
I'm 34, just over there.
Cool. So Jack was gonna buy a desk, but he ain't. Don't you love when you come to Ikea for one thing or two things and a trolley full? This is why I needed you to come with me, because imagine me doing this by myself. I'm incapable. Alright ladies, you need to take a man with you to Ikea. Because you got all the heavy things off the shelves for me. I didn't have to do any heavy lifting.
That's the real reason you wanted me.
Well, I actually didn't think about that aspect of it until we were here.
And now that's
getting them. Yep.
Now I can spray paint it.
Good, but you have to have it outside. Could you maybe... Yeah.
I got more slippers.
Oh, we should try my sunnies on.
Huh?
Try my sunnies on.
Hot. I'm boiling.
You can't wear them all the way up your nose. Yeah. Do you know that's the rule with sunnies?
No.
Never wear them at the top of your nose, because look, this is what I would look like if I did. I look like Tom Cruise.
That is very much adequate.
My hair looks real blonde in this light. Look how blonde my hair looks. Got so many funny looks today.
Yeah.
So many. Everyone's just like, what?
But at least you don't look like a complete weirdo by yourself.
If I was, okay, so you like stand over like there, and I'll stand with the trolley and I'll video myself and you tell me how weird it looks. Yeah, so just like here videoing myself. Does it look weird? Really?
Just looks like you're vlogging.
Oh, cool. See, I want to be like comfortable doing it.
Well then be comfortable. Make a choice.
Okay.
Just don't care.
I don't care. I don't care what that person behind me thinks.
Just care less. You can go right after this if you want. Who cares? You're being creative.
He's getting ciders. Jack. I so want a hot dog, but I ain't. No.
$1, do it.
No, I already
Veggie.
had.
Veggie
I already
hot
ate
dog.
today.
Veggie hot dog.
Isn't that piercing?
Day 2.
Yeah. 12 hours later. Are you gonna leave the trolley here like a badass?
Nope.
Good boy.
Good guys. Good guys.
Oh my gosh, what a hero. He just took someone else's trolley. I think it was their trolley. What a good guy. Wow, this is not a gangster moment. Far across the distance, I see you. That is how you know.
Get in the car.
Is it unlocked?
Yep.
Oh, I've just been standing here like an idiot. Okay, that was a successful vlog. Like, I don't know how much like interesting stuff is going to be in there, but I filmed like the whole time and even walked past like so many people. Like, it was busy.
I mean, their card.
Do you know there's Frangos coming up here?
I've heard. It's really bad. I love a Frangos near work and a Frangos near home.
You can use my discount code for Ikea, 50% off. Alrighty, this is the second part to the video where I'm actually going to assemble my new desk. It's gonna go right behind me here. But anyway, I got into trackies because they're a little bit comfier and easier to, you know, get stuff done in, I guess. Wish me luck. I just did that. Okay, I'm finally finished. It took a while, maybe like 2 hours, maybe. But I'm finally done. I've done the desk, I've done the chair, and I've done the little storage thing to go on top. So I'll show you. So here's my little laptop. I've got these drawers that are empty, but soon I will pop some stuff in there. I've got this new lamp that hasn't got a bulb in it yet. I'm getting that. Got my little decorative eucalyptus. I've got a candle. I've got this little man who's dancing at the moment. Maybe I should make him dab. That's my little setup. So happy. Noah, come look at it. Looks so good. That was so easy. Yes, I'm gonna leave it like that for ages. Thank you for watching this video, the first kind of vlog. Let me know what you thought and if you enjoyed it. I'm planning on doing like a few more in the future, so if you have any ideas, hit me up. Thank you for watching and keeping up with me. It's been really fun. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment and subscribe if you can and if you want. Have an amazing week and I will see you in my next video, which is hopefully again next weekend. I have a few plans. Thanks guys, bye. Oh. Sometimes I worry myself. What's wrong with me? A lot of things.